Hello, eco-enthusiasts and garden gurus. Welcome back to Urban Garden Republic, where we're on a mission to green our spaces and our planet. Today's adventure takes us into the heart of your garden, transforming it into a bustling hub for bees, butterflies, and other vital pollinators. Pollinators play an essential role in our ecosystem, helping over 80% of the world's flowering plants to reproduce. This isn't just about beauty, it's about survival. Ours included, as pollinators affect 35% of global agricultural land, supporting the production of 87 of the leading food crops worldwide. Creating a pollinator-friendly garden contributes to biodiversity, supports food production, and brings your garden to life with color and activity. The key to a thriving pollinator garden is diversity, offering a variety of plants that flower at different times, providing nectar and pollen throughout the seasons. Start with native plants, which are best suited for your local pollinators. Consider adding milkweed for monarch butterflies, lavender for bees, sunflowers, which are a hit with almost every pollinator. For year-round appeal, incorporate spring bloomers like crocus and lilac, summer favorites such as bee balm and coneflower, and autumn standouts like goldenrod and asters. Design with pollinators in mind. Group plants in clusters to make them more attractive to pollinators. Choose a mix of colors and shapes to attract a wide range of species. Remember, sunny spots are best for most pollinator plants. Include flat-topped flowers like yarrow for butterflies, tube-shaped flowers like penstemon for hummingbirds. Don't forget to add a water source, like a shallow bird bath or a water feature. Consider leaving a small patch of bare soil or a bee hotel for nesting. Sustainability is key in a pollinator garden. Avoid pesticides, which can harm the very creatures you're trying to attract. Opt for organic solutions to manage pests and mulch with organic materials to conserve water and suppress weeds. Composting not only reduces waste, but enriches your soil, making your garden a healthier environment for pollinators and plants alike. Embarking on the journey to a pollinator-friendly garden is a step toward a more sustainable and lively world. Every flower planted is a haven created, every garden a step toward ecosystem health. Share your pollinator garden stories with us at Urban Garden Republic, and let's grow together. Subscribe for more tips on eco-conscious living and gardening. Remember, in a world buzzing with life, there's hope. Happy gardening!